Welcome, funding enthusiasts, to another enlightening episode of the Funding Agency, brought to you by Moonshine Capital. I'm your host, Jason Feimster, the CEO of Moonshine Capital, and I'm here to guide you through the exciting journey of transforming your funding agency from a budding venture into a thriving empire. In today's episode, titled Scaling Your Funding Agency: When, Why, and How, we're going to dive deep into the art and science of scaling your business. This is especially crucial for you, the commercial loan brokers out there, who have been working tirelessly to establish your presence in this dynamic market. Whether you've been in the game for years or just starting, this episode is your treasure trove of insights and actionable strategies. Before we dive in, let's take a moment to reflect on where we stand today. The world of funding is not just about numbers and transactions, it's about realizing dreams, fueling ambitions, and creating impact. Here at Moonshine Capital, we've always believed in the power of knowledge and the importance of sharing experiences. That's why this podcast exists, to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed in this competitive arena. So, what does it take to scale a funding agency successfully? When is the time right to take that leap? How can you ensure that your growth is sustainable and impactful? We'll explore all these questions and more. We'll also look at real life examples of agencies that have successfully navigated these waters, learning from their triumphs and challenges. As we proceed, remember that scaling is not just about growing bigger, it's about growing smarter. It's about building a foundation that can support not only your business aspirations, but also the aspirations of those you serve. So grab your notepad, settle in, and let's embark on this journey of growth and discovery together. As we embark on our journey today, let's start by addressing a fundamental question. How do you know when it's the right time to scale your funding agency? Understanding this is crucial, as premature scaling can be just as detrimental as missing the opportunity movement to expand. The first sign is often the most obvious. Your inbox is overflowing, and client inquiries are coming in faster than you can manage. This isn't just a testament to your hard work paying off, it's a clear indicator that the demand for your services is outstripping your current capacity. When you find yourself consistently working overtime or having to turn away potential clients, it's a signal that your agency is ready for the next step. But it's not just about quantity. Take a moment to assess the quality of your services. Are you still able to maintain the high standards that set you apart in the first place? Are your current clients as satisfied as they were when you started? Regular client feedback and satisfaction surveys can be invaluable tools here. They not only show you where you stand, but also where you need to improve as you grow. Now let's turn to some concrete examples from the industry. Consider the case of Bright Path Lending, a commercial loan agency that began as a small team. They experienced a significant influx of clients in their second year, a direct result of their exceptional service and market understanding. But instead of rushing into expansion, they first optimized their existing operations, ensuring they could maintain service quality while scaling. By the time they were ready to grow, they had a solid foundation and a clear understanding of their market, which made their scaling process smooth and successful. Another example is Swift Capital Partners. They recognized the need to scale when they observed a consistent 20% increase in client inquiries over 6 months. They used this data to forecast future growth and started planning accordingly. Their approach was methodical, ensuring that they had the resources and infrastructure to handle increased workload without compromising on quality. Today, they're a leading name in the industry, known for their efficiency and reliability. These examples illustrate the importance of not just recognizing the signs of growth, but also understanding the implications of scaling on your operations and client relationships. It's about finding that sweet spot where the need to expand meets the readiness to do so effectively. In the next segment, we'll delve deeper into why scaling makes sense for your funding agency and the benefits it can bring not just to your business, but to your clients and the broader market. The rationale behind scaling. Scaling your funding agency isn't just a response to increased demand, it's a strategic move that can open up a multitude of opportunities. Let's explore why taking this step is not just beneficial, but often essential for long term success. Firstly, scaling significantly amplifies your income potential. As you expand your reach and capabilities, you're able to handle a larger volume of transactions, cater to a broader client base, and potentially tap into more lucrative deals. This isn't just theoretical, it's a reality that many in our industry have experienced. For instance, Elite Finance Solutions witnessed a 35% increase in their revenue within the first year of scaling, directly attributing this to their expanded service offerings and increased client base. But it's not just about the financial gains. Scaling also enhances your impact in the commercial loan market. As your agency grows, so does your ability to influence market trends and contribute to the industry's evolution. This increased influence can position you as a thought leader, opening doors to partnerships and collaborations that were previously out of reach. There's also the aspect of client service. A larger agency can offer more comprehensive services, provide quicker turnaround times, and leverage a wider network of resources. This translates to a more satisfying experience for your clients, fostering loyalty and encouraging referrals. Apex Lending Group, for example, managed to reduce their client service time by 40% after scaling, leading to higher client satisfaction and repeat business. Moreover, scaling allows for greater specialization within your team. You can have experts focusing on niche areas of the funding process, ensuring that every aspect of your service is top notch. This specialization not only improves the quality of your service, but also enhances your team's satisfaction, as they can focus on areas they are truly passionate about. However, it's crucial to be mindful of the challenges that come with scaling. Balancing growth with maintaining quality service is a delicate act. It requires careful planning, efficient processes, and a culture that prioritizes client satisfaction above all. The key is to grow in a way that enhances rather than dilutes the value that you provide to your clients. In conclusion, scaling your funding agency is a journey that offers both challenges and rewards. By understanding the rationale behind scaling and approaching it with a strategic mindset, you can ensure that your agency not only grows in size, but also in stature and influence. Practical steps to scaling success. Now that we understand the why of scaling, let's focus on the how. Scaling a funding agency successfully requires more than just a desire to grow. It demands a well thought out strategy and the right set of actions. Here are some practical steps to help you navigate this crucial phase of your business journey. Building a competent team. A strong team is the backbone of any successful scaling endeavor. As you expand, it's essential to bring on board individuals who not only have the requisite skills, but also share your vision for growth. This includes not just loan officers and underwriters, but also roles like marketing specialists, customer service representatives, and operational managers. Recruitment should be done with an eye for talent that can drive innovation and adapt to the evolving needs of a growing business. Consider investing in training programs to ensure your team is well equipped to handle the challenges and opportunities of a larger operation. For example, Pinnacle Funding Group implemented a training program focusing on advanced financial analysis and customer relationship management, which significantly improved their team's performance post scaling. Optimizing operations for scale. As your agency grows, your operational needs will become more complex. It's vital to have systems and processes in place that can scale efficiently. This might mean investing in more advanced technology solutions like CRM systems or automated underwriting tools to streamline your workflow and reduce manual errors. Look at your current processes critically and identify areas where efficiency can be improved. Streamlining operations not only helps in managing a larger volume of work, but also ensures that you continue to deliver high quality service. An excellent example here is Atlas Commercial Capital, which adopted an integrated CRM and project management system. This move helped them manage a larger portfolio more effectively, reducing turnaround times and improving client satisfaction. Marketing strategies for growth. As you scale, your marketing efforts need to scale too. This is where having a clear brand message and understanding your target audience becomes crucial. Your marketing strategy should focus on reaching out to potential clients who will benefit the most from your expanded services. Utilize digital marketing channels like social media, SEO, and content marketing to increase your visibility and reach. Remember, it's not just about attracting new clients, it's also about keeping your current clients informed and engaged with your agency's growth and new capabilities. Client relationship management. Last but certainly not least is the importance of maintaining strong relationships with your clients. As you scale, personal touch should not be lost. Implement systems and practices that ensure your clients continue to receive the personalized service they've come to expect from you. Regular communication, personalized service offerings, and soliciting feedback are key components of effective client relationship management. For instance, Peak Financial Services set up a dedicated client relations team post expansion, which focused solely on client engagement and feedback. This move helped them retain a high client satisfaction rate even as they grew. Scaling a funding agency is a multifaceted endeavor, requiring careful planning and execution in multiple areas of your business. By focusing on these practical steps, you can ensure that scaling your process is not just successful, but also sustainable in the long run. Attracting and retaining high value clients. With the groundwork for scaling your funding agency laid out, a crucial aspect comes into play: attracting and retaining high value clients. This is where your scaling efforts truly start to bear fruit. Here's how you can approach this vital component of your business growth. Marketing strategies for growth. An effective marketing strategy is your key tool for attracting new clients. It's essential to communicate not just what services you offer, also the value you bring to your clients. Highlight your unique selling propositions, be it your specialized knowledge, personalized service, or your success stories. Digital marketing is a powerful avenue for this. Utilize platforms like LinkedIn for B2B networking. Create content that positions your agency as an authority in the funding world, and leverage SEO to increase your visibility online. For instance, Prime Capital used targeted LinkedIn campaigns to connect with small business owners, resulting in a 25% increase in high value client acquisitions. But don't just stop at digital. Attend industry events, host webinars, and engage in community activities. These efforts not only help in building brand visibility, but also establish you as an integral part of the financial community. Client relationship management. Once you attract clients, the next step is to keep them. Exceptional client service is the cornerstone of client retention. It's about creating a relationship that goes beyond transactions. Understand your clients' needs, anticipate their concerns, and be proactive in your communication. Regular check ins, personalized advice, and being responsive to their inquiries can make a world of difference. Consider setting up a client portal where they can easily access their information and communicate with you. This adds a layer of convenience and transparency, which clients highly appreciate. For example, Apex Commercial Lending implemented a client portal that allowed clients to track their loan status, access financial resources, and schedule consultations easily. This not only improved client satisfaction, but also increased their retention rates. Referral programs and client testimonials. Referrals are a powerful tool in the funding industry. Encourage your satisfied clients to refer others to your agency. You can set up a referral program that rewards clients for every successful referral. This not only incentivizes them, but also shows your appreciation for their support. Additionally, client testimonials can be highly influential. Prospective clients often look for reviews and success stories before deciding on a funding agency. Featuring client testimonials on your website and marketing materials can significantly enhance your credibility. In summary, attracting and retaining high value clients improves a combination of strategic marketing, exceptional client service, and leveraging the power of referrals and testimonials. By excelling in these areas, you can ensure a steady influx of clients who are not just profitable, but also contribute positive to your agency's reputation and growth. Navigating the evolving funding landscape. As we reach the final segment of today's episode, it's important to discuss how to navigate the evolving landscape of the funding industry while scaling your agency. The commercial loan market is dynamic, and staying ahead requires adaptability and foresight. Adapting to market changes. The funding industry is subject to various external influences, including economic trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. To thrive, your agency must be agile enough to adapt to these changes. This means staying informed about industry developments, being ready to adjust your strategies accordingly. For instance, when regulatory changes affected the commercial lending space, Forward Funding quickly adapted by updating their compliance policies and training their staff on new regulations. This proactive approach not only helped them avoid potential pitfalls, but also enhanced their reputation as a reliable and up to date agency. Another aspect to consider is technology. Embracing technological innovation can give you a significant edge, whether it's advanced data analytics, AI driven risk assessment tools, or digital customer interaction platforms. Leveraging technology can streamline your operations and improve your service offerings. Long term vision and sustainability. As you scale, it's crucial to have a long term vision for your agency. Where do you see your business in the next 5 or 10 years? Setting clear, achievable goals for the future will guide your scaling process and ensure that your growth is aligned with your overall business objectives. But it's not just about setting goals, it's also about ensuring sustainability. This means making decisions that support long term growth, such as investing in staff development, building strong relationships with clients and partners, and constantly innovating your service offerings. Consider the approach of Elite Commercial Lending. They developed a 10-year growth plan that included diversifying their loan products, expanding into new markets, and continuously investing in staff training. This long term planning has been instrumental in their sustained growth and success in the industry. Scaling a funding agency is a journey that involves much more than just growing your client base or increasing your revenue. It's about adapting to the ever changing landscape of the industry, maintaining a vision for the future, and ensuring the sustainability of your business. Remember, the key to successful scaling is a combination of strategic planning, operational efficiency, strong client relationships, and adaptability. By focusing on these areas, you can not only grow your agency, but also cement its position as a leader in the commercial loan market. As we wrap up today's episode of The Funding Agency, I want to take a moment to reflect on the journey we've embarked upon together. Scaling your funding agency is a significant endeavor, one that demands careful planning, dedication, and a deep understanding of both your business and the industry at large. We've covered a lot in this episode, from recognizing the right time to scale, understanding the rationale behind it, to the practical steps necessary for successful scaling. We've also delved into the crucial aspects of attracting and retaining high value clients and how to navigate the ever evolving funding landscape. Remember, the path to scaling your agency is not a linear one. It's filled with challenges and opportunities. It requires a balance of strategic foresight, operational excellence, and a commitment to your clients and your team. But with the right approach, it's a path that leads to growth, success, and a lasting impact in the world of funding. I want to thank you for joining me on this insightful journey. Your passion for growth and excellence in the funding industry It's what drives this podcast. It's been a pleasure sharing these insights and strategies with you, and I hope they serve as a valuable guide as you take your funding agency to new heights. As always, I'm Jason Feimster, CEO of Moonshine Capital, and it's been an honor to be your host on the funding agency. Keep striving for excellence, stay informed, and never stop growing. Until next time, keep funding and keep thriving.